can't believe he just did that.
Man, he was telling the truth.
You're Mystic fucking Meg now, are you?
Piss his pants, Jake.
Well, because he pissed his pants, he was telling the truth.
Oh, yeah, but he's on work experience. He even know where the key is. He knows the kid.
Believe that shit? Kids all the fucking time, Sean.
Yeah, they do. And then when you smack them in the face with a gun, they tell the truth.
He deserved a fucking smack.
Yeah, and you gave it to him and spread his nose all over his face.
Should have put a bleeding bullet in him.
Look, you'll thank me and time you will. It's one of the here.
You shot me, Sean.
I did us I did you a favour.
Fuck that. Let's start with the shooting bit.
You lost the plot, and I had to deal with the situation in hand.
Fair enough. Now we have to deal with this situation in hand, which brings us back to you fucking shooting me.
Yeah, you went for the gun. I'd no choice.
Do you want the fucking medal? I'm not sure I can get over this shooting thing, Sean. I mean, could you?
Yeah, probably could, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, look, you're like a father to me, Jake.
I'm 2 years old and you cheeky fucker, you.
All right, Dad, take it easy.
Afraid this father-son thing's gone a bit Marvin Gaye, hasn't it? You haven't got a clue what I mean, do you?
No.
You're a fucking idiot.
Ah, don't be like that, Dad. It was a mess when we walked in the door. But these two are now in one piece. Yeah? Two? Well, at least I'm in one piece when I'm...
In case you haven't noticed, we're driving a stolen car around the arsehole of fucking Galway with every pig in the county after us and 25 grand in the bill. Not to fucking mention him.
Come on, out! Out! Come on! Out, 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 out! Come on, out, out!
My dad's gonna cut your balls off.
Oh, shit, me said I'm gonna get the bike manager after us!
You prick, yeah.
You'd be better off pulling the fucking trigger on, man.
Yeah, probably doing that there a fucking favour.
Because you never met yours, you stupid fucking prick. I'm not the one who kidnapped Mick Ronan's son.
Mick Ronan's son? How do you know Mick Ronan's son?
I am Mick Ronan's son.
You're Mick Ronan's son?
Yeah, Mick Ronan's my dad.
Mick Ronan's his dad.
Fuck Mick Ronan.
No, man, no, you don't fuck Mick Ronan. Mick Ronan fucks you.
Are you real bank robbers and all?
You little bastard.
Speak of the devil.
Oh, man, we have got to go. We got to get out of here.
We know just the fucking place.
Get him back in. Get back in, you. Leg it.
What the hell is this absolute kip?
Shut your fucking mouth and keep walking, all right?
Move it.
Fucking kip it is.
What's the chances this really is Mick Ronan's kid?
Be no loss.
Oh, his hopefully won't think that.
Look for bollocks.
You will be giving your bollocks to Mick Ronan. Look, if that kid's telling the truth, we cannot go home.
So why is we be going away?
Because listen, if we shoot him and he is Mick Ronan's kid, we won't last 2 days. And if we don't shoot him and he is Mick Ronan's kid, we are fucked anyway.
Oh, no.
You'll have to answer sometime.
Shut your mouth, you little pricky little angel, sometime. Fuck.
The way I see it, we have two options. Option one, we kill this little prick and do a runner. Or option two, we let him go and hope he doesn't fucking rat us out.
I'm all over option 2.
And I'm all over fucking option one. That leaves you, pal.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
You're late. I'm a busy man, Gabriel. Miss dinner and that's it. I'm in London for the week. You deaf?
No. Gabriel's not going to make it to dinner.
Says fucking who?
Me? Look, we did a bank job. He got in the way. We had to bring him with us.
Karma, I suppose.
Yeah, I was thinking that myself.
Is he okay?
Yeah. Broken nose?
At least he put up a fight.
Oh, yeah, he did. Yeah, he's a tough boy. He's big ball. He's a tough boy. He's a tough lad.
Mouthy, though. Gets it from the mother.
Oh, yeah, he does. He's a lovely woman. I'd say she is.
Oh, I like that. You're a bit of a charmer. It might just save your life.
Oh, now that would be a great start.
I said might.
Hello? I'm just hanging up.
So, how's my dad?
That was his dad?
Yeah.
Mick Rowland?
Yeah, that's Mick Rowland there. What are we gonna do, Jake? We're fucked.
He won't find us anyway. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere in this kip.
Trust me, he will find yous. That's what he's best at.
Not a fucking chance, pal.
The phone, Jake. The fucking phone. That's how we'll fucking find
Get rid of the
us.
fucking phone now. Get rid of it.
Fuck's sake!
It's me fucking phone.
Oh, he's not gonna find you now, is he? Hello?
You should really be face down by now.
I've got a funny feeling that's not far off unless the guards get us first.
Last I heard, they were kicking down doors in Galway. A tip-off. From a concerned citizen, I believe.
That wasn't the plan, Mick. We fucked up. How can we make this right?
Taking my firstborn's a hanging offence.
Honest mistake.
Honesty is no place in our game, Sean.
Look, how can we fix this, Mr. Ronan?
Bring him back to me in one piece, and you just might walk. But like everything, it comes at a price.
That is?
Jake.
Jake? Look, man, why don't you, like I could kneecap him paramilitary style, or just fuck him up bad. How about that?
Won't work, Sean. Sets a precedent. Then everyone will be looking to get kneecapped rather than getting whacked. Complete fucking chaos. Lads hobbling round all over the shop. It'd be like the fucking hobbling dead.
Okay, well, listen, help me. Listen, man, look, just give me a shit job. Give me the shittiest job. I don't care what it is. Just give it to me. I'll do anything. I'll whack anyone. I don't care.
It's a done deal, Sean. You haven't till I find you. Take it outside out of my sight.
Bollocks.
All right, Billy Big Boss. Time to shake her off the pot.
All right. My watch, against anything you have, says I'm a winner.
Your fucking watch.
My fucking watch is 10 grand.
Your fucking watch is 10 fucking grand.
Oh, actually, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's real. That is real.
All right, yeah. Fiver on Leicester to win the Premier League. 5,000 to 1. 9 points clear. Yeah, it's only Christmas. Randy Early has them playing the football of their fucking lives, pal.
Leicester City to win the Premier League. You're having a fucking laugh. Come on, give us something better than that.
Right. There's 25 grand cash in that bill. You were fucking lying on it. Half that is mine. 12.5 grand cash. Collateral enough for you.
That's better. You're on. I'll go first.
Be my guest.
A pair of queens. And a pair of aces. There you go. I'll be taking the cash and my watch back.
Manners.
Oh, I'm sorry, old man. I'm sorry. Where's my watch? Where's my watch?
Leave the fucking watch where it is. Have some manners. Play the game now, yeah? 3 twos, get the fuck in there, pal.
Yeah.
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's rich o'clock.
Fucking arseholes. Yeah, all right.
Get in there.
Thanks, Benny. Bingo.
Oh man, that is good fucking weird.
I know, yeah.
Oh, here, look, I have another one for you. Another one for you. Right?
Another?
Yeah.
Go
I
for
love
it.
this one.
What's
I love
it?
this one. What is ET short for?
I know this. Extraterrestrial.
No. Because he only has little legs.
I don't get it.
What is ET short for? Because he only has little legs.
Oh, his little legs.
Fucking extraterrestrial. Fucking worse than him, you bleed dope. Do you know what?
What's it?
You little bollocks. You're not the worst they'll skin, are you?
Yeah? You're still a fucking prick.
A fucking prick with a brand new 10 grand watch, pal. What a day on the house you go to.
Here.
Oh man, I'm not sure I'm able for this, but fuck it, here we go. Do me up, Scotty.
Right, here we are, lads. Tool up. I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Don't do it!
I'll deal with you two clowns in a minute. Wake up! Wake the fuck up! Talk to your mother, son.
Hello? Yeah, Ma, it's me. No, I'm okay. Yeah, Dad's here. Yeah, everything's grand. Ma, please, I said I'm okay. Yeah, no, I'm grand, honestly. Right, okay, bye. Bye.
I'm glad you're okay too, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Are you sure you want to do this? Get them out here! Martin, give Gabriel the gun. I'll take that, Benny.
Up.
Who broke your nose?
This one here.
You'll pay for Gabriel's nose. I have you two by the bollocks now. Oh, and thanks for the money, lads. Torch the fucking car, Benny.
My ma would kill me if I lost her.
I'll never rob a bike with you ever again.
Who you fucking telling?
I nearly had to kill you.
What?
Yeah, because we kidnapped Mick Ronan's kid and he said you better kill Jake. And I said, well,
Hang on a
I'm gonna
fucking
have to
second.
do
Hang on a
that.
fucking second. Mick Rowland told you to fucking kill me.
Yeah.
My Jesus Christ, this has been one big fuck up from the start to the finish.
Oh, we got no watch. We've no money. Taking the money. We got no car. Oh, tell you what we do have is two broken noses.
I can't believe you don't know even who Marvin Gaye is.
What?
Marvin Gaye?
What the hell with the little legs?
Oh, sweet Jesus, give me strength.
Costa, turns out the world. Hazard! Hazard has won the Premier League for Leicester City! That goal against Spurs has won the Premier League for Leicester